pickup to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. Don't see many of these come through, especially this model year. 1945 Chevrolet AK pickup. As you can see, step side. Of course, Chevrolet coming back into production after the war. It's kind of one of those model years you don't see a ton of. Take a look at that kind of Art Deco styling on the front end. Large grille, kind of a tubular headlight mounts with the marker lights above them. 216 inline 6 underneath hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. We're going to fire that up at the end of the video, let you hear it run, take a look underneath the hood. But first, if you want to take a look at all the still pictures, be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726, number to call into. Wide white wall radials, those are Coker tires, so not an inexpensive set of tires on this truck. It's kind of got that patina look, if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. As you can see, wood in the bed. Fun truck for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, parades. Just a good old original looking truck. It's like it was used and driven, and now it can be somebody's fun toy. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. Side mounted spare. Chevrolet wheel covers all the way around. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, metal door panels. We do have the rubber flooring. Vinyl bench seat. Vented front windshield with the crank out, and that is in working order. Cranks out quite a ways, actually. Had it out earlier. Very stock looking dash. Of course, your shift pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, your typical H. Reverse being back closest to you and down. To get into reverse, you're gonna have to use this switch. So we'll slip into reverse, kind of a reverse lockout. Choke is here. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Of course, we're gonna push the starter down here on the floor. So key on. Starts as easily as that. Again, inline 6. Make sure we're in neutral. Slip around behind it so you can hear it run. Sounds as you'd expect. I'm going to slip up to the front, open one of the sides of the hood here. I think what we'll do is, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to open the passenger side. Let's take a look underneath the hood. In the still pictures, I got both open. You can see pictures of the engine. But give me a second. Let's get the hood open and check out that engine bay, and then we'll wrap this video up. All right, one of the reasons I wanted to open this side is kind of cool. We have the old Chevrolet division placard with the actual chassis number and everything right there. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Looks like we have newer plug wires over here also. Smooth running engine, heater hose still hooked up. And again, in the still pictures, you'll be able to see the other side of the engine bay, where you'll be able to see the intake and exhaust manifold and everything. So check out the still pictures. 1945 Chevrolet AK pickup. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. underside, interior engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1945 Chevrolet half-ton pickup. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Our windshield wiper does work.